Assalamu alaikum students. Today my topic is diary entry. And after the lesson you will be able to define a diary entry and also create a sample diary entry. Now first come to the point, what is a diary entry? A diary is a short composition. It is a record of a writer's feeling, your thoughts or activities during the course of a particular day. You can jot down what happened uh, to yourself on a particular day. A diary entry usually has a very personal feel to it. The reason of writing a diary is to express our feelings and emotions regarding certain events and to maintain a record. Now first come to the rules of writing. How to write a diary entry? A diary entry begins with the date and day at the top left corner. It is written in the first person, that is I. The style of writing is informal. And in informal style, you can use phrases, idioms, also the slangs and contractions as well. The ideas must be expressed in a well thought out paragraphs. You can divide your idea into a paragraph, which is the main message of the diary entry, but the description are usually brief and vivid. Keep it brief and vivid as well. It must follow a logical and coherent order. You need to write in order the event happened. The introductory paragraph or sentence may be a comment of the day or one's state of mind. Stress, feeling, emotion, and reaction should be mentioned there. It ends with the final remark of the day, of one's feeling. Conclude by signing the person's first name, and you need to use the past tense, and also you can use the future tense to show your future plannings. Now come to the format of the writing. First you need to write the date and day at the top left corner. After that comes the salutation, that is dear Andy or Sarah or any nickname you suggest. After that, in paragraphs you need to write the personal recount or event what happened to you, and at the end you need to sign your first name. Now here is a sample diary entry. You need to read that to get the idea how you are going to write the diary entry. And now what you are going to do is write a diary entry on how you are spending your day or days during the lockdown caused due to the pandemic coronavirus. Thank you.